Having trouble with the Amazon Alexa app freezing or lagging on your Android phone? This often happens because of low storage, apps running in the background, or outdated software. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to fix the Alexa app freezing or lagging on your Android device. Let's jump right into it. Before doing anything else, make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear Alexa app cache. First, open up the settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and find the apps option. Tap on it. Find the Alexa app and then tap on it. Next, tap on the storage option or storage and cache option on your device. It varies from device to device. Then simply tap on the clear cache option. Then make sure to clear the data as well. Solution 2. Install and reinstall the Alexa app. Press and hold down to the Alexa app. Then tap delete. Next, confirm the deletion. Now simply install the app again. That's how you fix the Amazon Alexa app freezing or lagging on your Android phone. I hope this video helped you. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time.